We got to start with Krill. But let's see. Testing, testing, testing. We got to start with Krill. But let's see. Testing, testing. It's crypto analysis. Testing, testing, testing. Alrighty. Testing, testing. It's crypto analysis. Alright, we're live. Let's go. What's up, guys? Let's look at this chat. So, unfortunately, my chair, of course, right? Of course, my chair didn't come yet. So, on Amazon, it said it got delayed. Like, so I'm still just basically sitting on a box. So, yeah. So just FYI. That's pretty much it. Not financial advice, but it does say that its expected delivery is now December 12th. So we'll see if it actually gets here on December 12th. In the meantime, we are actually going to be looking at all the watch list coins, but we are going to look at everyone's coins. But I am going to do the watch list coins. So let me just open up all these tabs. And that way we can actually leave these open because I know people are going to come here and ask for spell token like 30 million times, right? And like pangolin. So we're going to just go ahead and leave those open, make videos on them. And then we got to look at Krill. So there's a gentleman who, or a subscriber that, damn it, hold on. There we go. Yeah, so there's a subscriber that requested Krill and super chatted. But I have to basically look at Krill. But yeah, I hope everyone's having a great Saturday. And yeah, let's read the chat. Killcam's XCN Helium Bomble. I'm assuming he meant mobile. HBAR, XRP, Neon, EVM, and Vara. Yeah, I'll take a look at all those for you once I mean, there's a couple of those on the watch list, so we'll go ahead and do that for you, but not right now. What's up, Brian? What's up, Aaron? What's up, Carla? Hello, how are you? I'm good. Still no enemies that I know of. Mickey G, vocals confirmed. Thank you. Brennan from all over the place. What's up? How are you? I hope you're making money. Let's see. Christopher Sutton. Got you loud and clear. Yeah, I got the mics, so that's good to hear. Hey, what's up? How Helium Mobile looking? Well, I hope it didn't just pump and dump, but we're gonna actually take a look at it because it is on my watch list. Where is it at? Oh, is it on my watch list? Wait, hold on. No, it's not. Mobile. No, it's not on my watch list. I'll take a look at it for you guys though. Mobile. I think that's also. Yeah, actually, I gotta look at that. So, give me a second. Mobile, what are you doing for Christmas? I'm not telling you. What's up, Deegeberry? If we get to Shin's market cap today, Elon should be 4 zeros. Let's go. What's up, Yikes? What's up, Parker? What's up, Shadowfrost? I'm doing good. How are you doing? What's up, Trucker? Hello, I'm driving right now, so I'm just listening. What's up, man? How are you? Thank you so much for the membership. Let me know whatever coin you want me to look at for you, and then I could give you all the numbers, so you don't even have to look, and I could actually give you the numbers. But basically, yeah, like I gotta make a video on Marinade. Elon, let's see. I actually have to do Helium Mobile. Which we're actually going to look at anyway because there's a couple people that asked for it. This guy wants. Yeah, it's going to be a long stream because Dogecast on Ethereum. Okay, so he's probably gambling. Every chart shows and the red, blah, blah. Shapeshift Fox, IDYP. Oh, I remember IDYP. Idipius. So we gotta look at Idipius. And then I need an update on this pronto. I'm already doing that. Oh, BitDAO. We gotta take a look at BitDAO. How's it doing? Is it over 285? BitDAO. No, damn, it dropped. Damn. It's fine though. We'll see. We'll take a look at it. Could you look at Caspa? Look at Caspa. See, I'm doing this now because that way I could just keep the graph up. So when people come and they ask for it, I already have it up. Onyx Coin. Can you do a quick one on XDC? I don't even know what XDC is, but I'll do it. XDC. Can you do a quick update on XDC? Thank you. Yeah. I don't think I've ever done that. Actually, I might have. Helium Mobile. MOG. MOG. Let's take a look at MOG. Got listed on Coinbase before Dogelon. I got to do Quant. Look at that. I'm so nice. I'm doing everybody's coins that like commented. And then can you do Shadow Token? And this is my last one. So we'll take a look at the chat. And then we'll do all the chat videos. Yeah, there we go. I have all the tabs up now. So let's look at the chat. See how the chat's doing. Let's see. I don't know. Is that a ban? Is that a ban? I don't know how I feel about that. Right? Let's see. What's up, Meow? How's everything? How's the gym? It was good. I did biceps back, abs, ran 20 minutes, and then did shoulders, and then did more abs. And the reason why is because this week I moved. So I only went to the gym once, and usually I go 3 to 4 times. So I had to do biceps back, and then I had to do shoulders, abs, and also run 20 minutes. Because I ended up working out on Monday, and then Tuesday I was just, from Tuesday until literally today, I was super busy. And clearly the place isn't even fixed up. But that's why it was like a 2-hour workout today. But technically I'm still missing 1 hour of cardio. So it was pretty good. I'm really tired. I actually went and got coffee too. So yeah. What's up, Flex? I got your comment, by the way. I'm going to take a look at that coin. I think you requested... no, that wasn't you that requested Krill, but I got you. Oh, Super Chat. What's up, Cat Daddy? Can you do ETH, Casper? Casper, dude, that thing's going to come back from the grave. Mana and Algo. Thank you so much for the 10. Yeah, I can do all of those for you. And then we'll just get right into it. So let's just jump right into it. Thank you so much for the Super Chat. I really do appreciate that. So, did you know that you can actually like love the Super Chats now, which is pretty cool? All right, let me put this here so I don't keep looking down. All right, so let's take a look at Ethereum. Man, Ethereum is about to be super bullish. Yeah, so let's take a look at ETH. So we are over the 786. Obviously, we're over the 786, and yeah, so as of right now, $4,900 is in play, and then clearly you can see we have all-time highs in price discovery up to 14,000. Keep in mind the 786 is 3,391, and I do think that does coincide with, yeah, it literally coincides from the low to the high with the 236. So given that it stays over that, it's ultra bullish, but just keep in mind that it can still come back down to around $3,100. Worst case scenario, right now it doesn't look like it's going to happen, but you never know in crypto, right? So as long as you're looking down on your phone, and as long as it stays over $3,100 to $3,400, so with any sort of retracement, you are still looking at double top, right? So it would be double top, and then once that breaks, you're looking at price discovery, which is going to put you up to 14,000. How high it's going to go, I have no idea, and you have to decide at what point you want to sell. But These are the targets. So now you have the peace of mind of knowing, okay, as long as ETH stays over 31 and 34, I don't have to worry about it being bearish and coming all the way back down, right? And once it breaks $4,900, which it literally looks like it's about to break this previous double top and make its way up to the previous all-time high, the 2021 all-time high, then you're looking at continuation up to price discovery of $14,000. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's see. So we're looking at that. Let's look at Casper. Yeah, Casper came back from the dead, but my friend was a huge Casper person. And yeah, you guys probably know the contract got pulled by IBM. But like now, clearly they're working on something else because everyone that sold got absolutely wrecked, right? So I'm glad you're asking for Casper, so you actually believed in it, just like my friend, and now you're like reaping the rewards. But I mean, granted, like he bought back at 3 or 4 cents, so he got absolutely wrecked. But like if you guys had held, or if you guys are holding, right, it's coming back to life. So let's see. Let's look at Casper. So keep in mind, I'm not going to use this $30. I never do because I don't think that's fair. For Casper, I'm going to use the previous high at $1.45 around this area. So from the high to the low, you could see that Casper is bearish under 2 cents 20. Okay, so 2 cents 20. As long as it stays over 2 cents 20, you're looking at the 382 at 4 cents 90. Once Casper breaks 4 cents 90, it's good game. It's bull run. You look at 9 cents, 17 cents, 43 cents, previous high. And then from there, I don't know how high it's going to go because Casper does have a lot of coins. But again, it just depends on, with the right partnerships, with the right, tokenomics and utility, it could go past that. So I don't know if it's going to, do a 618 retracement and then bear market and then come all the way back down, or if it's going to break through 618, 43 cents, 786, and so on. But as of right now, just know that it's bearish under 2 cents 20. So if it breaks below, then you're looking at possibly coming back down to retest this previous low. And then as long as it stays over the 236 at 220, 4 cents 90 is in play. And then guys, keep in mind, the reason why we talk about these is because unless you're buying right now, right? So I really hope you guys have a plan because these numbers we're not just talking about 4 cents, 9 cents, 17 cents, because it's like another language to a lot of people. But if you're buying on the way down, and if you're buying, then these are literally targets that you should take profits at, right? And if you don't, then that's on you because then you're going to miss out. So there's a reason why these targets are so crucial and why it's so important to, actually take profits on the way up, because otherwise, Casper could go up to the 786 at 43 cents and then it could be ultra bearish for the next 3 years, which happened last time to XLM, XRP, even Litecoin. They never made their all-time highs. They never broke past their all-time high. So if you're waiting for the all-time high, just keep that into consideration. I'm not saying that to dock Casper. I'm just saying that, these are the targets and these are the levels that you should be aware of, that we have resistance and possible areas of reversal. So I hope that made sense. Right now, Casper's not bearish because it's not over. It's not under 2 cents 20. 4 cents 90 is in play, which is literally 100% from right now. So if you're even buying right now, that's around over 20% pump. So yeah, like 107% pump from the current position. So pretty much it for Casper. Not financial advice. Your other coin was Mana. Ooh, I like Mana. I remember seeing it at 9 cents on Coinbase. So Mana, I don't know if it's bullish, but we'll see from the high to the low for Mana. We're attempting to break 76 cents. Once 76 cents breaks, then I'd say good game. Little to no resistance, $1.13, $1.68, $2.94. Previous all-time high for double top, and once that breaks, you're looking at up to $47 for Mana. And keep in mind, if Axie can go up to like $100, you guys remember Axie Infinity from last bull run, right? The one that hit like $100 to $200 and then fell back down to $5. There's no reason why Mana can't go to up to $47. So very bullish on that. So as long as it stays over 47 cents, you're looking at breaking 76 cents, and then it's going to be bullish, and you should probably start thinking at when you're going to sell, because $1.13, $1.13 we don't need to worry about. So $1.68, 294 worst case scenario, previous high, and then up to letting the rest ride up to $47, and that's pretty much it for Mana, and then. The last one is Alderon. So taking a look at Algo, very nice move. Wow, very, very, very nice move. I hope you bought these lows. Yeah, so Algo, I think it's over the 382, so it's very bullish. Yeah, it's very bullish. You can see that we actually got stuck at the 0.5. So again, very bullish over 32 cents. But if you did have your sell orders at these levels, and if you're buying the lows, and especially when it's bearish, so next bull run, we're going to take our fib from the high to the low. And when we're in the red, you're like, I'm going to buy now, right? And then theoretically, you'd sell that if that is the bottom all the way up. Worst case scenario, we make a lower low and then do the same thing. Very important why you shouldn't go all in at once. I hope this is all making sense. But congratulations. That's a huge move up from this low to the high. That's around a 460% pump. So your $1,000 is now $4,600, $460. Yeah. So we got stuck at the 0.5. If we don't break 50 cents, then we do need to stay over 32 cents. That is very bullish bull run over 32 cents. Once we break 50 cents, you're looking at 76 cents, $1.40, $3. And then if Algo is going to be the coin that goes past this previous all-time high, you're looking at up to $28. I don't know how high it's going to go, but yeah. Pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Thank you so much for the 10 beans. I really do appreciate that. Thank you so much. Carla, happy birthday. 17 more days. What? Your birthday's on Christmas? So you were born on Christmas? Happy birthday. Let's see. Flex, can you do MBL movie block targets for Beam? Thanks. Yes, I can do that. So MBL movie block targets. Let's see. What is this coin? Movie block. Oh, very, what is this, like a stable coin? It came out in 2019. It's literally just like in the same spot. So, this isn't that bad of a play. 78 million market cap, almost fully diluted. You're looking at 127 diluted. You can see they did release coins, but I don't think it really matters because it's not really that much anyway. Yeah, let's take a look at MBL for you. I actually really do like this graph. This graph is very, very, very bullish, actually. Wow, do you guys see that? Okay, so like anytime you get a coin like this that's actually, up and is maintaining an uptrend, and it does have the spikes up, and then you're making a higher low here, even a higher low on the, this is actually really bullish. Very, very good. What is this on? Movie block, up it. I don't have any of the, it's on crypto.com. I hate crypto.com. I hate the spread. It's like you put in $1,000 and then you have like $800. I'm like, wait, what happened with the $200? Okay, let's take a look at MBL. So from the high to the low for MBL. Yeah, so it's not bearish because it's not under 2.036, so it needs to hold 2.036. As of right now, you're looking at 2.059. Once that breaks, you have little to no resistance to 2.086. To 1 cent, 22 cents, and then previous all-time high. That's nothing though. Back up to its all-time high is a 9x. So let's look at the market cap. 9x. The highest market cap it's been is 279,000. So it is actually going to double that market cap and make it all-time high on the market cap. But the price is going to be the same. So double top on the price. Market cap is going to be higher. So just keep that in mind. Obviously indicator that they did release coins. So just playing it conservatively, like I would say, not financial advice or anything, but if I were selling, I would probably start selling at 2 cents because I do think that is possible. I do think that is very, likely to happen when you get like one final pump up when the Bitcoin dominance drops. You're looking at around a 400% pump from the current price. And then the reason why I'm playing it super conservatively and saying that is in what I would do. I'm not saying you have to do that. I'm just saying what I would do because they did release coins. And again, that's going to a previous all-time high is going to double top the price, but it's going to shoot the market cap 2 times past that. It really is redundant. I don't know what Movie Block is doing. So if you know something that I don't, meaning that like partnerships or something in works or burns or whatever, then yeah, I could go very well past that. So you're just going to have to decide, you have to decide that for yourself. But I'd say very conservative price as of right now. Once we break the 382 at 2 zeros 59, you're looking at resistance at 2 zeros 86, 1 cent 20, 2 cents 10, and if it does double top and go past that, you're looking at price discovery up to 32 cents. That's pretty much it. Keep in mind, it does need to stay over 2 zeros 36. If it comes down and breaks below, we are going to be macro bearish. Targets for Beam. Okay, how's Beam doing? I know we always, dude, I hope this thing, you always ask for Beam. Yeah, look, you were asking for Beam like back here. So there's no reason why you shouldn't be up on Beam. Like, I hope you're not like trading it or getting chopped up. I hope you're holding it, because literally, I think we were even talking about Beam being stuck in this downtrend. And then once we actually broke it and came down and retested it, we're flying up out of here. So taking a look at Beam, Beam is very, 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 very bullish. Right now, the target for Beam is going to be 4 cents 40, and then you're looking at 10 cents for Beam. So very simple. 786 is 3 cents 20. So I'd say, does this area coincide with any sort of area of resistance? Probably not, right? I guess the 382, so 2 cents 80. Yeah, but the thing is that right now there's little to no resistance to 4 cents 40. So 4 cents 40 is in play. So very simple for Beam to flex. As long as it stays over 3 cents 20, you're looking at 4 cents 40 and then up to 10 cents, 11 cents for all-time highs. And then that's it. And yeah, I mean, we've literally looked at this for the last month. So, even if you bought down here, you should be up like 200% on your position. So congratulations on that. 17 more days until my birthday. Happy birthday. Everybody say happy birthday, Carla, if she was actually born on Christmas. I got my salt order under 7K for ETH. Conservative. No, that's very conservative. Fair. You could be happy with the money you make. It could go 2 times that though, but just don't feel bad, because as long as you make money, then you make money, right? Casper talked a good game at first, man. I was super bullish, still held. Yeah, that's what my friend was telling me, that he thought that he still thinks it's really good, but the only thing is that hack really messed them up, because that how they got hacked. But also the partnership that they lost with IBM really hurt them, because it went to Hedera, and now Hedera's flying, right? So H-bar. Game on base. I'll take a look at that for you. How much Dogelon you have? I have a lot, man. I sold my OXT, and I withdrew the money. I put it in my bank, and then I bought some more Dogelon Mars. But I'm not gonna say how much I have now, because I have a lot now, and I don't want to I don't want to say how much I have. But maybe I will. Hey, actually, talking about Dogelon Mars, I'm thinking about doing another burn. Was anyone here when I did the last 2 burns for Dogelon Mars? So I might do a burn in December, a Christmas burn. So if you guys remember, I used to burn like 100 million, 200 million. I think I burned 1 billion. I might burn another 1 billion, and the third burn, so let me know if you guys remember that. Hello, brother. I'm watching a movie at the moment. Just want to say hi. And Dogelon Mars. Yes, Dogelon Mars, man. Come on, let's go. Dude, it's a no-brainer, guys. Literally, look at this. How are we, look at this. 1 million people on we have 1 million people on the freaking watch list. Are you joking me? And look, on top of that, Mog or whatever got listed on Coinbase has 96,000. What else? Pepe? How many does Pepe have? Pepe has 537,000 on the watch list, and it's at there's no way that we're at 1 million people on the watch list and we're not going to make it. We're about to. I feel like we're going to go up. That's actually why I got some more, and I'm so happy I did, because I actually bought it. I even told you guys I bought it here at 22, and then it went up and then went down. And then now it's up. So I'm super happy. What's up, Bingo Bango? How are you? Let's see. I've got great averages on all of these, and yes, you explained that perfectly. Perfect. Thank you. I'm glad you understand. I hope this is all making sense because this is it, guys. We got probably, I want to say we got another 6 months, and that's it. We got to make it. Hello. Have you taken a look at XYN today? Still waiting to take off with my 20 million coins. I'll take a look at it for you. Give me a second. XYN is actually on the watch list, so we're gonna take a look at it and make a video. Let's see. Can you look at Myria and Beam, please? I actually just looked at Beam. So if you rewind the video a little bit, you could actually see Beam. And then once you come back, I could take a look at Myria for you. Horizon, I'll take a look at that. What's up? What's up? Can you look at Caspa, Turbo, and Hoppy? Yes, I will take a look at those for you. At Caspa, I actually need to make a video on too. OJ Simpson, California? California Dreamin'? Or California Love? Let's see. Can you do XYO? Got a great average, and just wondering if it looks like it has more room to run. Yeah, I'll take a look at XYO. Let me look at Caspa first. And I gotta make a video on it. Actually, nothing has changed with Caspa. We'll take a look at it. Taking a look at Caspa on the live stream. So nothing has really changed with Caspa in terms of the targets go. As of right now, we are over the 786. So as of right now, we are looking at 20 cents for a double top. And then again, once that breaks, nothing has changed from our targets at 32 cents. Once that breaks, you are looking at all-time highs and up to 32 cents. Keep in mind that as long as, I mean, right now it's very bullish, but as long as it stays over 16 cents, it is still going to be very bullish. And I think that does also coincide with the 786. So 18 cents. So 16 to 18 cents. Very bullish as long as it stays over 16 to 18 cents. You're looking at double top at 20 and then up to 32 cents. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion. And so far, so good. We just have to wait until we get that blow off top. I will catch you guys in the next video. That's pretty much it for Caspa. Yeah. Oops. Okay. Let's see. Can you do Shapeshift Fox, please? Yes, that is on my watch list. I have to make a video anyway. Did you... Hey, what's up? Did you get my super sticker? Yes, I did. Thank you so much, Free Lightning. Did I not say anything? Thank you so much. I really appreciate the super chat. That's awesome. Let me know what... But you didn't write anything, so let me know if you want me to look at anything for you. Can you check XRP because they say it's going to go higher than back to $2, so I need to know if I need to sell it. That's actually a really tough call, Mel. So I think XRP is going to go up to $5, so I don't think you should play it because worst case scenario, it doesn't go back down to $2, just my opinion, and basically you miss out on $5 or you get chopped up. But not financial advice, just my opinion. I will take a look at XRP for you. I just have some other coins I have to do. Can you check Star Atlas? Finally got a pump. Would like to get your opinion on when to sell. Taking a look at Star Atlas. Yeah, you did get a nice pump. Yeah, so keep in mind, from the high to the low, yeah, so not bearish anymore. So we're on our way to 209. So once that breaks, you're looking at little to no resistance at 1 cent, 60, 3 cents, 7 cents, and then all-time high. Man, you want to know, like, okay, like when would I sell? Well, it depends. Did you buy down here? Because that really matters, right? So like if you, let's say you didn't even buy the low, you're still up like 200, 300%, right? So if I see it stay above 2043, then I would probably like, no, dude, it's going to definitely go past that. I'd say like 1 cent, 60, and then 3 cents, and then 7 cents, and then 22 cents, and then up to like $5. So I mean, let's see if they released coins though. Yeah, so 40x. That's going to put the market cap around 4 billion. And has it ever been 4 billion? No, it hasn't. So it would be 10 times more that. So divided by 10 would be 400 million. So it would be a 4x. So yeah, I think that's fair. A 4x would put it at so a 4x would put it at double top on the market cap, which would bring you at 3 cents. So yeah, playing it very conservatively, like 1 cent, 60, and 3 cents. hopefully you get your money back there, and you just let the rest ride. And then that way, if you don't make any money, then it doesn't matter because you got your money back. So, but technically you should be making way more, because if you bought down here, then you would be up like 20x from that position. So yeah, that's pretty much it for Star Atlas. No financial advice, just my opinion. Bearish under 2043. Once we break 2009, which is the next area of resistance, you're looking at 1 cent, 63 cents, 7 cents, 22 cents, and then to the moon. That's right, Turbo Hoppy. Yeah, so I gotta look at Turbo. Let's see. Is Turbo on my watch list? No, Turbo isn't on my watch list. Okay, we'll take a look at Turbo. Taking a look at Turbo. We have a graph for this anyway, so it doesn't matter. So yeah, so very, very interesting. So we said, yeah, so the graph is actually playing out perfectly right now. So as of right now, we don't have to worry about this line. I'm deleting it because it never came back down that low. And then we actually bounced from 207. We broke a little bit under it, came back, got stuck at resistance, retagged it. And then once we blew up out of here, we blew up out of here. So that's very, very, very good right now. Keep in mind that with Turbo, right now, the target is 1 cent 30 for a double top. And then you're looking at 2 cents. So that hasn't changed. However, all of this has changed because there's no more resistance. You like blew past it. So I'd say for Turbo, at this point, it needs to stay, for any sort of continuation up, it really needs to stay over this box because you're not working with resistance anymore because we're going up. You're working with support. So it needs to stay over 209 to 1 cent. As long as it stays over this box, you're looking at 1 cent 30 and then 2 cents. And then worst case scenario, if it comes down, it needs to stay over 2074. Otherwise, that would be the top. You'd be making a higher, lower high. And that's actually very bearish in the short term. Because you could get something like Bitcoin did, where you just make lower low, lower highs, and then eventually you'll break out. But I don't know how long that's going to last. And then let's take a look at Hoppy. Taking a look at Hoppy. Yeah, so for Hoppy, as of right now, ooh, what the heck happened here? You know what? I don't even think, I think it made a lower low. That's what happened. Yeah, I think that's what happened. Okay, yeah, so for Hoppy, I need to delete this actually. Remove drawings, because I think it made a lower low. So at this point, yeah, so at this point you can see we're actually stuck at the 236. So bearish under 3017. If it breaks below that, then you are looking at possibly double bottom. And if that doesn't hold, then you're going to be maintaining this downtrend. So I'd say it needs to break this box. Otherwise, we are bearish. And once we break this, then I'd say to the moon. But if we don't, this previous low absolutely needs to hold for Hoppy at 3012. No financial advice, just my opinion. And yeah, that's it. That's all I got. Brian, did you do DigiBuy? No, not yet, but I'll do that right now. I'm getting a lot of coin requests, so I'm sorry if I missed you guys. Just please keep typing them. Obviously not when I'm making the video, like when I'm talking right now, but like, yeah. So can we look at Anchor? I've been holding this coin for a long time, not really worried about it anymore, but just curious. Yeah, I could take a look at Anchor. Thank you so much for the super chat. I really do appreciate that. Yeah, so I remember when Anchor was listed on Coinbase, my friend bought it at 10 cents. I think I told you guys the story. So yeah, so for Anchor, it's mega bullish right now, over 4 cents. Right now you're looking at 7 cents, 12 cents, 21 cents, and then Anchor up to $1.14. And then with Anchor, it's very simple. As long as it stays over 4 cents, all of these targets are still valid. At any point, if it falls below 4 cents, then you're looking at it needing to stay over the 236. Otherwise, it is bearish. Not financial advice, just my opinion. I'm going to look at XYO because the gentleman asked for it. I'm actually going to make a video on XYO because, yeah. Taking a look at XYO on the live stream. So, wow, what a run. What a massive run. Congratulations to everybody that had XYO. Let's take a look at the updated targets. So from the high to the low, you could see once we broke past the 382, we flew up out of here and we retested the 786. We got rejected at the 786. So as of right now, you are the target's up. You are looking at the 786 at 4 cents, followed by previous all-time high at 8 cents, and then XYO up to 68 cents once it breaks. Keep in mind, it does need to hold over, I mean, it really needs to stay over 1 cent, but as long as it stays over the 786, it is still ultra bullish, which I do think it does coincide with, yeah, it does coincide with the 236 from the low to the high. So I'd say, you know, very bullish over 1 cent 60 and 2 cents 20. At any point, if it falls below that, then you are looking at a bigger capitulation down to 1 cent. But we don't have to worry about that right now as long as it stays over this box. You're looking at 4 cents, 8 cents, and then from there, XYO to the moon, and you're getting all-time highs of up to 68 cents. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion. I hope that all made sense, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Horizon. This is a good one. I like this coin. It's too rich for me, though. Yeah, so taking a look at Horizon, we don't need to use the full graph because this is the previous all-time high anyway. So from the high to the low, we are getting stuck. Oh, we're not even at $20 yet. So very simple for Horizon. Bearish under $12. It needs to stay over $12. So worst case, we go retest it. As long as we stay over it, you're looking at $20. And once $20 breaks, then you're looking at bull run, little to no resistance at 30, 45, 80, 168, and then from there you're looking at up to like $1,400. I don't know how high it's going to go. I don't know if that's actually going to go that high. That's around 80x, and that's, you know, the market cap is 273 million. So you just have to decide at what point you want to say maybe sell. Maybe it'll double top. Maybe it'll go a little bit higher, like $200, $300 if it is going to make a higher high, or it might get stuck to the 786 and it's going to be one of those coins that never makes an all-time high. So also be aware of that. That's also possible too. So that's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Hot. Ooh. Hold on, I need my coffee. This is too many coin requests. I need to drink my drug. Guys, you know how uncomfortable it is sitting on a box of a chair? I'm sitting on a box that's a chair, but it's not my chair, it's my wife's chair. And yeah, I don't want to put it together because I gotta put together my own chair. So you gotta put your own chair together. No freebies here. No freebies in this household. Let's see. Hachi on base, base on base. DGen, let's go DGen. I love that coin. Shapeshift Fox, I'll take a look at that. Actually, it's on my watch list, so we'll take a look at it. We got to also look at XRP. To the gentleman or lady that asked for XRP, Mel, are you still here? I'll take a look at it for you if you're here, but can you just type? Shapeshift almost had a breakout. Interesting camera perspective. Yeah, it's not usually like this. It's literally, obviously, we just moved and I don't have a chair, and I ordered a chair on Black Friday and it said it was the next day delivery, and then it got delayed. Like, of course, right? It got delayed, and then now it's saying December 12th. So, yeah. So, yeah, fun stuff. So, what are we doing? We're doing Hachi on base. Let's see. Hachi. I think I have a graph for this, actually. Hachi on base. Wait. Yeah, Hachi on base. Yeah, we have a graph for this. Very gamble coin. You already know that. Wait, hold on. Is this the right coin? Because I have it drawn out, but like, it's really 215,000 liquidity and $36,000 liquidity with 24% being locked. Is this the right coin? You're going to remember these days when you were sitting on a box while working for your future? Yes, exactly. Oh my gosh. That is true. I'm going to remember these days. I really want to build out, crypto analysis for the next bull run and really expand and grow it and get to 100,000 subscribers and all that stuff. So, all right, taking a look at Hachi on base. Yeah, very simple. Once we broke 16, what is that actually? Yeah, it's a 382. So yeah, once we broke the 382, yeah. So we actually asked me to look at this for you beforehand, which we're here. We said it needs to stay over the 236, which is really important because look, it literally came down and it tagged it, hugged it, and then once we broke out, we came back down, we tested it, and now we're getting up and out of here. So you already know this. It is a gamble coin. It's 215,000 market cap. So you don't need me to tell you it's a gamble coin. So as of right now, you're looking at previous all-time high being the next target and then 86 cents as long as it stays over 2016. These three targets are literally the only things you need to know. So you just got to figure out at what point you want to sell. Because yeah, I mean, even a 15x right now is like only a, 15x would be like a 10x is 2 million. And then 5 times that is like 3 million, right? So 10, 2 million, and 5 times that, yeah. So 2.5 million, whatever. So 3.5 million. So 3.5 million market cap, that's still a gamble coin, right? So it could theoretically go even higher than that. So you just have to decide at what point you want to sell. So and for the targets go, as long as it's over 2016, you're looking at around 4 cents. Double top on the price, and then you're looking at up to 86 cents once that breaks. So you might be a millionaire, or it might go to complete zero. So just be careful. Can you check Spell and Meta Hero? Yes, Spell is on the watch list. We'll take a look at that. What's up, Wick? How are you? What's up, Dan? What's up, brother? We will have the same amount of we will have the same amount of Elon, but I am still big on Book of Ethereum. LFG. Dude, didn't they add that on... They just added that on... Did they add that on Coinbase, or did they add that on Gemini? Because I think it's Gemini, because I use Gemini for Elon, and I noticed that they actually added Book of Ethereum, right? Or was it the other book? Hello, can you do Kava? Yes, thank you so much for the super chat. I really appreciate that. Let's take a look at Kava. So taking a look at Kava. So this hasn't really recovered yet. We're still maintaining this downtrend, so it's not bullish. We are still... actually, it's not bearish, because as long as we stay over 58 cents, it is not bearish. So for Kava, as you know, the next target is 98 cents, okay? Once we break that, then I'd say Kava to the moon. You're looking at $1.50, 231, 427, previous all-time high, and then from there to the moon. Keep in mind, actually, that, we are still maintaining this downtrend. So, theoretically, if we were here, actually, no, it doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. Yeah. So technically, we're not bearish, because we're not under 57 cents. If we do break below 57 cents, then it is going to be bearish on a macro target. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate the super chat, and I hope that all made sense. As of right now, 98 cents is in play. So just keep that in mind. Mog, once Binance, Easy 4X. No, we are only on Mexi that I know of. I'm not sure. Let me see. Oh, you know what? They added Book of Meme, not Book of Ethereum. That's right. Okay. Let's check Spell Token for the gentleman who asked for it. I actually got to make a video anyway, so. Taking a look at Spell Token on the live stream with no chair. So, unfortunately, my chair has been delayed. Expected delivery has changed. So, I'm still now sitting on a box. Anyway, I'm going to say that in every single one of my update videos today. So, from the high to the low, you can see... Oops, that's not Spell. So, from the high to the low on Spell, we are macro not bearish, because we're over 2.095, which we've been saying for the last like 12 months. As long as it's under, or yeah, like more than 12 months now. As long as it's under 3 zeros 95, it is bearish. But once we get over that, again, you're looking at 2 zeros 18. And once that breaks, you're looking at 2 zeros 3, 2 zeros 5, and 1 cent for the 786 retracement. From there, previous all-time high, and then spell to the moon. But those are the long-term targets. As of right now, the only thing that you really need to focus on is, as long as it stays over the 236 at 3 zeros 95, the next target is 2 zeros 18. Once that breaks, you're looking at 2 zeros 3. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Alrighty, there's your spell token. Base on base. Please do Book of Ethereum for me. You have been right on all your analysis. We're going to blow off the top on Doge on Mars. Yeah, I hope so. Dude, that would be so nice. Man, if I could become a millionaire with Doge on Mars, I would be so happy. Obviously, anyone would be happy. But I really do think I have a chance. I really do think I have a shot. I really do think I have a shot, because all I need is a... All I need is 100x. All I need is 100x, guys. And then it's like, you know, $1 million. That's nice. After taxes, $600,000. That's a house right there. A paid off house. Don't have to worry about it. You know, just worry about property taxes, and that's it. Yeah. Yeah, let's take a look at Book of Ethereum for you. Book of Ethereum. Actually, you know what's funny is I have a graph for you, so we're going to look at this. Yeah, so what is this, though? It was probably the area that it needed to hold, right? No. Okay, so as of right now, I'm going to... You want Book of Ethereum, right? Yeah, so let me remove everything, and we're going to redraw everything for you. So, taking a look at Book of Ethereum, which is only 41 million market cap, that's not bad. So from the high to the low... Oh, that's what that was. Okay. Yeah, so as long as it stays over the 382, you're looking at previous all-time high, and then you're looking at up to $2. So, yeah, very simple. And then let's see where that coincides with. Yeah, so that actually does coincide with the 382 from this low to the high. And then what does that coincide with in terms of the all-time low? The 236? Sort of. Yeah, so... Yeah, I just say that's in play right now. All right, so very simple for Book of Ethereum for you. As long as it stays over 28 to 34 cents, that's what that was. Okay, so I deleted it, but the target actually didn't change because Book of Ethereum is actually doing really good right now. So 28 cents, 34 cents, 35 cents, as long as it holds this area, you're looking at 82 cents for double top. And then once that breaks, you're looking at $2. And keep in mind, man, that very, very, very small market cap of 4x. I mean, you're looking at 160 million market cap. So it could go another 10x from there. But for now, we're going to keep the targets here so we can kind of monitor it and see how high it's going to go from there. But that's pretty much it. Now, financial advice, just my opinion. 2 to 3 zeros on Dogelon. We have the same amount. We need 100x together. Yes, dude. We need 100x. We need, yeah, we have the same amount. And then we do have the same amount, like around like 50 billion. So, I want to get more. I do want to get more, but I got a little bit more because, you know, 44.4 and then 50 finally. So I got a little bit more, but the problem is that, like I said, I got it like last week or when it was at 22. And now the thing is that, like, of course, right? Of course, which isn't bad, but of course it went up. So, you know, I mean, I'm good. It's good that it went up, but in my mind, you know how it works. Like, you're like, dude, it's up. Like, I just bought it at 22, but now it's at 26. I can't really buy. So, yeah. I have 40 billion Doge on Mars. Yeah. So we have like roughly the same amount. I mean, it's only like a, what, $2,000 difference. It's real. Yeah. We're gonna, dude, 100x, man. I'm gonna tell you right now, dude. I do have a sell target though. I am selling 10 around 10 billion. Yeah, 10 billion at the 786 retracement. So that's going to get me a little bit of money. That's going to get me my money back that I put in Doge on Mars, and then it's going to give me a little bit of profit. So I don't feel bad if it goes all the way back down. So just FYI. We got to get back past 42 on Elon, then to the moon. Yeah. So for Elon, it's very simple. Needs to break over this box. Once we break over 37 and 40, 42 very close. Then yeah, we're solid, dude. Once we're done with that, once we're over that, it's good. Like, it's good game. We're literally gonna do something like this. Like, literally, we're gonna do something like that. So yeah. And like, it is kind of like a cup and handle, right? Literally, because but then again, it's like, man, this kind of was a cup too, and then it like fell. So was this, right? And then it fell. So my only concern is that if it double tops again, I hope it doesn't, but we'll see. Let's see what Super on base and CTSI on Ethereum. Super on base. Super on base. What? I don't see a super on base. Are you talking about super champ? Yeah, I don't see a super on base. And then meta. That's right. I forgot about meta. And base on base. Man, that's a lot of coins. Meta. Taking a look at meta. I don't know what this coin this is. 69 million market cap. Okay. I do like this graph already, just by looking at it. Wait, what is this? Yeah, so taking a look at meta. Okay, so super champ. So this one. All right, let's take a look at that, and then let's take a look at meta. Yeah, hey, this is a very, 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 very bullish graph. So congratulations on that. It's not a bad. It doesn't look bad. So bearish under 3 cents 90 as of right now. Sorry, bearish under 3 cents 60, and then as of right now, you're looking at 5 cents 90 in play. Once that breaks, I'd say metadium to the moon. But it needs to break the 382 from the high to the low. In worst case scenario, if it does fall below 3 cents 60, that is going to make it bearish again. So, oh, Meta Hero. Oops. Okay, all right. Completely wrong coin. What is this though? What is this like? Yo, this is not okay. This graph does not look good, but we're gonna take a look at it. I don't mean to. Yeah, this is not looking good. Okay. So I'm assuming it's a gamble coin. I'm assuming that's why you want to look at it, but let's take a look at it. So yeah, we really can't. Yeah, so there's really nothing to look at here. So bearish under the 236 at 2049. So it is bearish under that, and we are bearish basically. If the previous low doesn't hold, so if this isn't any sort of floor forming right now, you are looking at 2014. Wrong token. It's called Meta Hero. It's 202 right now. Yeah, that's it. I'm looking at the right one. Oh, I was about to drink my mic. That's funny. Yeah, can someone confirm this is the right Meta Hero? Because I just looked at like 3 different metas. I'm assuming this is the right one because you're saying it's 202 and that's what this is at. Yeah, so very simple. As long as it's under 2049, it's bearish, and then it does need to form some sort of floor at 2014. If it doesn't, we're going to make a lower low. Very simple. Now, financial advice. And then let's take a look at, oh, what is this gamble coin? Whoa, what is this, man? Yeah, I don't know what to say in terms of base on base. I don't know how to like chart this graph because it's, you know, it just came out November 30th. So you're looking at 11 cents being in play right now. And then, so 11 cents, and then it needs to stay over 8 cents. So as long as it stays over 8 cents, you're looking at 11 cents being in play. Very simple for this. And then we can look on base on base. Was it that chart? Base on base. Okay, hold on. Base on base. I can't find it. Yeah, I can't find base on base. Well, let me see if I can find it here. I guess base. Is this what you're talking about? Can you confirm that this is the right coin? Oh, who's asking for? Oh, we gotta do Shapeshift Fox. That's right. Okay, so let's do Shapeshift Fox. Taking a look at Shapeshift Fox on the live stream. So as of right now, nothing has really changed from our last video that we made last week, our update video. We are getting stuck at the 382. So just keep in mind, it's not bullish until we break 8 cents 90, which clearly you can see we did break, but then we got rejected and now we're sitting under it. So keep in mind, again, once that does break and we do stay over the 382 on the macro time frame, you're looking at 14 cents, 24 cents, 51 cents, $1.30. And then if Shapeshift Fox is going to double top and break past its all-time high, then you are looking at up to $19 for Fox. But keep in mind, none of that is possible until it breaks these areas of resistance. So keep that in mind. On the downside, as long as it stays over 4 cents 70, it is still going to technically not bearish, but it is going to be bearish under that. I'm not saying it's going to go down that low, but I'm just saying we can come back down and retest it. That is a really big capitulation. I don't think that's going to happen, but just keep in mind it might. So with that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion. As of right now, 8 cents 90 is in play and 15 cents is in play too. I will catch you guys in the next video. There you go. Is this the right? Oh, this is the right base on base? Okay, so taking a look at base on base. No, that's not it. Base. What is this on? Uniswap, PancakeSwap. No. Is it on Mexi at least? No. Oh my god, what is that noise? What the hell is that? Okay, wow. I'm good. Anyway. So yeah, let's just pretend like we didn't see that. These curtain rods almost killed me. I think someone was riding their bike. I hope you guys. I wonder if like you guys can hear that. So let's see. Oh man, I don't know how how am I even supposed to find this base USDT? I guess. $0.42. No. Yeah, sorry, man. I really can't find it. Unfortunately, I can't find base. I'm sorry. Super champ on base. I already looked at that, Maddie. If Shapeshift hits 19, yeah, I mean, you should definitely sell on the way up, but you know, you should always keep a small little bag just in case it does go that high. Not financial advice, but just play it smart. Wick, Pepe is dead. Mog 40x incoming. Sorry, Maddie, I can't find super, or I already did super champ, but let's see. I trade charts, not the fluff information. Main, why you stream when Vision stream? You trying to take his audience? Oh, is that gonna is he gonna really get banned? Is that gonna be your like? Is that gonna be my second ban? What? Is that what you think? Is that like the, you know, is that why you think I'm live streaming right now? I'm sorry, I don't revolve my schedule around other people. Just FYI. I live stream when I want to. What do you think about Rismus though, holding 23 million? I'll take a look at it for you. Let's see. Oh, you were just joking? Yeah, because yeah, no, I get it. I get it. Let me try to find this. No, that's not it. Oh, I can't find this for anything. I'm assuming it's Rismus on Radium, on Solana. You gotta tell me which one it's on. Or you gotta give me some more information. Wrapped Ethereum. Okay, I'm assuming it's this. Whoa, man. What the heck? Is this the right one? Sand. You want me to look at Sandbox? I'll take a look at that for you. Give me a second. Let me know if this is the right one. In the meantime, we're not doing that. We could do Dogecoin. Yeah, well, we're going to have to make an update video on Dogecoin anyway, so we'll take a look at that. Yeah, so if this is the coin, I don't know how I'm supposed to do TA on this, really. Like, this is crazy. I mean, it's already up like 1,000,000%. Yeah, I can't even see. Okay, all right, let's take a look at this, though. So from the high to the low, we are actually over the 382, so we are technically bullish. Wait. Oh, you know what? This is on the hourly chart. Hold on. Oh, you know what? Yeah, this coin just came out. So, hold on. Okay, rewind. Doing technical analysis on the hourly for Joe. Yeah, so again, you already know this is a gamble coin, but we'll just take a look at it anyway. So as long as it stays over the 382, 236. So, well, not even the 236, because that's actually technically bearish if it falls below that. So if it falls below 4027, you're cooked. It's probably going to get a big capitulation down, make a lower low. But as long as it stays over 4039, you're looking at previous double top and then up to around 309. So we'll just say 201. Keep in mind that from the current target, that is around a 23x. So for easy math, let's just say it's 20x, and the market cap is 21 million. So you're looking at around 400 million. Obviously, this is a gamble coin, and obviously, like, you know, you probably shouldn't hold past Christmas, obviously, because it's a Christmas coin, right? But not financial advice, just my opinion. You got to do what's best for you. And yeah, this is a gamble coin. Maybe it'll work out. You know, Christmas time comes around and this thing goes 20x. Very possible. So good luck. And yeah, good luck. Maddie Ghost for Maddie Ghost for Sand. Let's take a look at Sandbox for you, because I can't find your other coin. Sorry about that. So taking a look at Sandbox. So from the high to the low, oh yeah, bullish. So we're actually bullish because we're over 85 cents. So we broke out and now we're actually over it. So congratulations. As of right now, you're looking at $1.33. Little to no resistance to 207, 387 previous all-time high, and then you're looking at Sandbox up to $86. So the same thing that I say with Sandbox and Mana and all that other stuff is, if Axie Infinity can do like a $100 billion market cap. Wait, how high did it go actually? Let's see. Yeah, like almost 10 billion. And then what's Sandbox at right now? 2 billion. Oh, okay. So I guess that is kind of changed. It looks 5x 10 billion. So that's like $5. Yeah, $5. Fair enough. It will actually double top the market cap too. So where's $5 though? Yeah, it's past the 786. So yeah, for Sandbox, you know, 86, anything over 86 cents is bullish on the macro time frame. You're looking at little to no resistance to $1.33, 206, 384, double top on the price, and then from there, you know, to the moon. We do have a target of $83, but I don't know if that's going to hit. So you just got to decide at what point from previous all-time high to that area that you want to sell. Because it could go up, you know, it could stop at like $16, $10, whatever, and then the bear market could start. So just keep that in mind. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Hope this guy becomes a millionaire. Actual class content. Oh, thank you. I really appreciate that, man. I really do hope I become a millionaire too. So I think that hopefully I will become a millionaire with Doge on Mars. Because I do believe in the coin and I obviously like it, and you know, it has 1 million people on the watch list. So I do think it's a no-brainer. Also, it's not even listed on Binance or Coinbase. And it's crazy to me that Binance and Coinbase listed like Peanut. What is that? Like Peanut. And Peanut has 63,000 people on the watch list. And I'm literally showing you guys this right now. Doge on Mars has 1 million people on the watch list. And just keep in mind, like, all these coins that, and I know people are like, oh my gosh, like, you know, Coinbase just listed MOG or whatever, right? But the thing is that, look, guys, like, and I'm not trying to sell Doge on Mars. I'm just saying this is why I'm so bullish on it. We have 156,000 people on the 156,000 holders. How many does Pepe have? Yeah, Pepe has like 347,000. But also keep in mind that Pepe is on Robinhood now. It's on Coinbase. It's on Binance. It's on Gemini, right? So it's a no-brainer in my opinion. But I don't know. It is what it is. That's my moonshot. That's my gamble. It is what it is. I'm just saying. And fintech, definitely not. Blah blah. Moon Tropica. Can you do Moon Tropica CAH, please? Let me see. What is this? Moon Tropica CAH. What is this? 46 million market cap. 73 million fully diluted. Oh, very, very small supply. I like coins like that. Oh, this is I like this chart. This is a nice chart. So yeah, this is a very nice chart. I like coins that are like this. Let's find the crypto. No, that's not the right one. Yeah, this is a nice. This is a very nice chart, actually. So, Yeah, you got some pretty good. You got some pretty good coins. So like you got some pretty good. Like you're actually not gambling. You know, you have some coins with that actually look like they're going somewhere. So from the high to the low, over the 382, super bullish. We got stuck at the 786. Sorry, 618. As of right now, these are all areas for Tropica. Up to $238 would be nice. It does need to stay over, I guess, the 236,382, and I wonder if that does coincide with anything from the high to the low. Give me a second. Let me see. Yeah, it coincides with the 382 from the high to the low. So, as long as Tropica stays over $14 to $17, which is support, but it also is the 382 from the high to the low, which is macro bullish. So as long as it stays over this box, you're looking at $24, retesting the 618. $36 double top on the price at $57, and then from there you're looking at up to $238. That is going to be around a 10x from the current price. And this is very, very, very possible because, again, a 10x is going to put the market cap at 460 million. So it could go another, 10x from there, which is 100x for 4.6 billion market cap. So very interesting. Yeah, very interesting. So keep in mind, this is a pretty good coin. This is a pretty good, it has a pretty good graph and chart. So with that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion. Let's see. Uni going to 20 plus. Have you heard of Ship Trump on Solana MEMECOIN Binance Veracity? Veracity? I haven't done Veracity in a while. I could do Veracity for you. Ondo is waiting a Binance listing, I think. I'm going to be so rich this run. Thanks again, dude. I hope so, man. I hope all of us make it, but it's nice to see, some people make it. What's your portfolio, Wick? He probably has all the $1 million coins. Let's see. What did you ask for? Veracity. I haven't done a video on Veracity in a while. This used to be on my watch list. So taking a look at Veracity. Oh, we stayed over. So nice. So from the high to the low, you can see it's bearish under 205, and once we break 208.86, it's bullish. Little to no resistance to 1 cent 30, and then 2 cents, and from there to the moon. We'll target it at that point. But as of right now, all you need to know is as long as it stays over 205, you're looking at 208.86, 1 cent 30, and then 2 cents, 3 cents 80, and so on. Yeah, not financial advice, just my opinion, and I hope that made sense. Keep in mind, if it does fall below 205, it is going to be macro bearish again. So needs to absolutely stay over that. All right, let's start pumping out these videos because we've been live for an hour and 20 minutes now. So I don't want to be live for more than like 2 hours, and I need to clean up the place. So taking a look at DOGECOIN on the live stream. So keep in mind that DOGECOIN is actually over the 786 on the macro time frame. So you're looking at 41 cents holding. So as of right now, very simple. Our targets are 74 cents for all-time high double top. And once that breaks, you're looking at DOGECOIN price discovery up to $4. On the downside, as long as it stays over the 382.236, it is macro bullish. I say I don't know if it's necessarily going to come down to 24 cents. So for now, let's just say it needs to stay over 31 cents. As long as it stays over 31 cents, you're looking at a continuation up, and all the targets are valid on the upside. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion. I will catch you guys in the next video. Taking a look at SHIBA INU on the live stream. So SHIBA INU is looking very good. It looks like a giant cup forming right now. I don't even know what that means, but it's a cup that you drink out of. So I'm assuming there's a bunch of money in it. I'm just joking. I don't know what that actually even means. But yeah, so long story short, it does look very bullish right now because it's over the macro 382 at 4.015. As of right now, it is over the 618 at 4.03. So the targets are 4.048, previous all-time high, and then you're looking at up to 3.05 for SHIBA INU. Keep in mind, it does need to stay over the 236.382 for it to maintain this bullish momentum. So as long as it stays over 22 and 26, which is this box, all the targets on the upside are still valid. So keep in mind, 4 zeros 48, previous all-time high double top, and then price discovery once we break out up to 3 zeros 5. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. I'll do a couple more, and then I'll take a look at the chat and look at some more coins that you guys want me to look at for you. Taking a look at Jasmy on the live stream. So let's take a look at where it's headed. So we stayed over the 382. We said that was a very crucial area that it needs to stay over, which it did for almost a year. I mean, in February, it'll be a year. Keep in mind, we broke out of the 0.5 and we came straight up to the 618 and tagged 5 cents 50. We did get rejected. So as of right now, I can say that we are on our way to 5 cents 50, 12 cents, 36 cents, and so on. As long as it stays over 1 cent 75, it is still going to be macro bullish. But in terms of areas of support, oh damn, I can't, dang it. I have to redo that video because I accidentally canceled it. So taking a look at Jasmy, take number 2. So from the high to the low, you can see that we actually stayed over the 382. We blew past the 0.5 and we tested the 618 and got rejected. So as of right now, 5 cents 60 is in play. 12 cents 90, 36 cents is all in play. Keep in mind that it does absolutely need to stay over 3 cents 60 and 4 cents 30 for any sort of continuation up. Otherwise, that is going to mark a local top and we are probably going to get a bigger move down. But it doesn't matter because we are still bullish on the macro time frame. So as long as we stay over 1 cent 80 on the macro time frame, then it's still bullish. None of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion. Again, 3 cents 50 and 4 cents 30 absolutely need to hold. As long as it does, all the targets on the upside are still valid. And yeah, that's pretty much it. No financial advice, just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. One more, GME, GameStop. Wait, are you talking about GameStop on, like, as a stock? Or you're talking about GME, like, this is on Solana, right? Can you do SwiftCoin? Yeah, so Wick, let me know if this is the right GameStop, and then in the meantime, I will do SwiftCoin. Yo, SwiftCoin millionaires in the making. Congratulations, man. I'm really happy for you guys. Taking a look at SwiftCoin on the live stream. Congratulations, guys. Like, I'm really happy. You guys are SwiftCoin millionaires. We talked about this. We've been making videos on it for over a year now, and I'm so happy for you guys. So congratulations. Taking a look at SwiftCoin. So I think 2 cents is in play, right? That's what we said. Yeah, so remember we were stuck in resistance for the longest time. We never came back down and retested support. And yeah, so we blew past the double top and now 2 cents is in play. Very simple. And then honestly, when that breaks, you're looking at 8 cents. So at this point, we can actually say that. So keep in mind, it does absolutely need to stay over this box for a continuation up. Otherwise, I would say that is the local top, and we are probably going to get a bigger capitulation down. But at that point, then the 786 needs to hold to at least maintain a higher low and keep this momentum and uptrend going. So, so yeah, very simple as of right now. We don't have to worry about that. 2074 to 2095 needs to hold with any sort of retracement. 2 cents is in play, followed by 8 cents. Very simple. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion. Congratulations on this, and I will catch you guys in the next live stream. In the next video. Sorry, I'm live streaming right now, but I will catch you guys in the next live stream and in the next video. And have a great weekend. Damn. Really messed that one up. GME 2027 price on ETH. All right, taking 2027. You mean 3027? I'm assuming you mean 3027 because this is the only one. So taking a damn. Oh my gosh. Wow. Hold on, I need some coffee for this. Damn. This is like the worst. This is like the most non-professional stream ever, right? So yeah, so I'll take a look at Andy for you too, but let me look at This is very, very, very good actually. So nice graph, man. So yeah, as of right now, you're looking at 3 zeros 35, and then 2 zeros 35, which is literally another 10x from this area. So yeah, you're looking at, what is this, like a 10x, which is $1 billion for market cap. Keep in mind it needs to stay over, I mean, I guess we could take it from here. Yeah, so as long as it stays over this box, then it's going to be macro bullish. So it's very bullish. I mean, you already know that. But I'd say as long as it stays over 3 zeros 14 and 3 zeros 18, you're looking at a continuation up to 3 zeros 34. And then once that breaks, and once that breaks, you're looking at 3 zeros 3, 2 zeros 3, which is literally a 10x from the current price. So, I mean, congratulations at 4.4 million locked liquidity. That's pretty good. It does have a high market cap right now, so I don't know. But, I mean, look, someone just bought $17,000 worth of GME, so that's a lot. Yeah, there's a lot of buying happening right now. So, with that being said, yeah, that's pretty much it. Congratulations. I hope you bought this down here because that would be epic. Let's do Andy, because we have a graph for Andy, actually. So, yeah, so very simple, actually, Andy. So Maddie, we said 303 to 3023 needs to hold. That's what those two lines are for. And then as long as that holds, you're looking at double top, and once double top, you're looking at 307. So I don't need to change the graph. The graph is still playing out. You can see once we broke past it, now we're flying past it. So how high it's gonna go, I don't know. Just keep in mind it could go down from here, and technically it's still made a higher high, right? Or the next target is 307, which is actually a 100% from the current price. Keep in mind this is a really big market cap, so it is going to put the market cap around 700 million. So, but that's pretty much it. And yeah, nothing. I mean, you just got to let it ride, right? I mean, you don't know how high it's going to go, and this is very. This doesn't look bad at all. It looks like it wants to. I mean, right? Where would that put it? Yeah, dude, you're looking at like a 5x, so like a $1.5 billion market cap. That might be in play. So, yeah, good luck. Good luck. Let's go, 100K. All right, I gotta get these videos out the way. So DOGECOIN's done, SHIB's done, Jasmy's done, ApeCoin. I gotta do ApeCoin. Taking a look at ApeCoin on the live stream with no chair because my chair got delayed. So from the high to the low, you can see that we said bearish under $1.24, and then bullish over 224. As of right now, we are headed. Our target is the 382 at $2.24. Once that breaks, little to no resistance to 362, $5, 86, $11, previous all-time high. And then from there, if ApeCoin is going to go back up to its all-time high and go into price discovery, you're looking at up to 342. Whether it's going to go that high or not, I don't know, depending on the market cap. But yeah, again, macro bullish over $2.24, and based on the trajectory and the direction as of right now, you're looking at making your way up to that target. Keep in mind, as long as it stays over $1.24, it is not bearish, but if it falls below that at any point, it is going to be macro bearish. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Did you cover a MOG by chance? No, I didn't, but we could take a look at it. Taking a look at Terra Classic on the live stream. So this thing looks like it's ready to blow. It is macro bullish because it's over the 382 at 3 zeros 13. So as of right now, 3 zeros 18 and 3 zeros 24 followed by 3 zeros 37. These are all targets that are in play. Keep in mind, as long as it stays over 3 zeros 13, all these targets on the upside are still valid. With that being said, very simple. Again, keep in mind, these moves are probably going to come really fast. So 3 zeros 18, 3 zeros 24, 3 zeros 37, and followed by 3 zeros 64 are all in play. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Taking a look at Digibyte on the live stream. Congratulations for all the Digibyte holders. We've been talking about Digibyte for over a year now, so I'm glad that it's finally moving. So from the high to the low, you can see that we got rejected at the 382 again. So as long as it's under the 382, it is not macro bullish and it will not have a bull run. But once we break, you're looking at little to no resistance to 3 cents, 4 cents 60, 8 cents and a half, and then 18 cents for a double top. And from there, if Digibyte is going to go past its all-time high, you're looking at up to $1.76. With that being said, bearish under 1 cent 11, so we don't need to really worry about that right now as long as we're consolidating within these levels and over 1 cent 11. 1 cent 97 is in play, and once that breaks, you are going to be macro bullish. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Man, let's like chat. I'm thinking Thailand or Philippines also. I'm a veteran, so I need VA around. Hey, let's go. You're a veteran. That's cool. I guess I wouldn't say I'm a veteran, but thank you for your service. I was in the Navy. I was actually a reservist though. I went to Chicago, Illinois for my basic training. And then for my A school, I went to Lackland Air Force Base in San Antonio for another, so I was gone for like 6 months. And then I came back and then I started doing my, weekend warrior stuff for 8 years. Yeah, thanks so much for your service. I appreciate it. That is awesome. Oh, Miss Pa, I gotta do MOG for you. Whoa. Taking a look at MOG. Oh, wow. I mean, 1618, right? Yeah, you're looking at, and then I mean, is this the right coin? Yeah. Is this all the graph though? Hold on. Yeah, this is it. Man, look at this. What a graph, dude. This is great. So I guess let's yeah, I mean, we'll just do that. So as of right now, 5 zeros 58 is in play, followed by 4 zeros 20. And then very simple for MOG, it needs to stay over the 236 382. So I'd say as long as it stays over this box, you're looking at 5 zeros 54, 4 zeros 2. That's around a 50% to a 400% pump. 400% is going to put the market cap around like $6-7 billion. So keep that in mind. And with that being said, none of this is financial advice. Weekend Warrior is still a brother of mine. Salute. Yeah. Thank you. I appreciated it. Yeah. And, thank you. MOG will go crazy. Dude, that graph, did you see that graph? That's crazy. Look at this. Bro, I need Dogelon Mars to do this. Come on, Dogelon Mars. Will you analyze SHIBA INU, please? Yeah, so I actually just did SHIBA INU. So we said as long as SHIBA INU stays over 4 zeros 22 to 4 zeros 26, you're looking at 4 zeros 48, which is the 786, which actually is going to double top on the short-term time frame, almost. Once that breaks, you're looking at previous all-time high. And then from there, you're looking at 3 zeros 5. Very simple for SHIBA INU. Dude, I wish MOG looked like Dogelon Mars needs to look like MOG. We should have copy and paste this into Dogelon Mars. How sick would that be? All right, let's see. ApeCoin, Luna Classic, Digibyte, Spell, we already did. Dogelon Mars. Oh, I guess we're on Dogelon Mars. Taking a look at Dogelon Mars on the live stream. So actually, we have a graph. Nothing has really changed from the last time we looked at Doge on Mars. We are over the 200-day moving average. It looks like a nice little cup and handle forming. Keep in mind that Doge on Mars is now actually technically macro not bearish because we're over the 236 at around 6 euros 23, 6 euros 24. So we don't necessarily have to have this line here anymore. We can update our graph to say that as long as we're over this level, we are not bearish. And keep in mind that 6 euros 37 and 6 euros 4 are in play. Once that breaks, you're literally looking at little to no resistance all the way back up to 5 euros 13. From there, double top on the price, and then from there, I'd say 4 euros 2 is in play for all-time high. So with that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Alrighty, so Doge on Mars is done. Pangolin, good one. Taking a look at Pangolin on the live stream. So Pangolin is very bullish right now. It looks like it wants to retest the 618 on the macro time frame, 46 cents. So very simple as of right now. $1.32 followed by previous high is in play. In terms of the shorter time frame goes, you're looking at, yeah, so literally we're breaking out. So I'd put resistance at 83 cents to $1.32, which is actually going to be this previous top. Once we break that, previous all-time high is next. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, there's really nothing more to look at. We're over the 236 at 29 cents. You remember when we were stuck in 23 to 29 cents, and we said that was very crucial area. And once we break past that, we're going to go flying up and out of here. So all that looks like to be validated right now. So again, as long as we stay over 29.30 cents, all the targets on the upside are still valid. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion, and I don't have a chair. So I'll have a chair next video, next week, hopefully, if they don't delay the chair shipment. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Let's see. Hi, Crypto Meow. Can't remember. Have you looked at Tribe for me last few days? Got a chart, nothing else I hold. Strangely intriguing. Smash Toshi. No, I haven't, but I could take a look at it for you before I make my other videos. I'll take a look at Tribe. Let's take a... Ooh, what is this? Nice. It's not looking bad. I did look at it for you. I remember I did. Take a look at Tribe for Smash Toshi. So we're macro bullish because we're over 42 cents. So as long as it stays over 42 cents, it's super bullish. You're looking at 60 cents, 84 cents, $1.36, and $2.51 in play. Once the previous all-time high breaks, you're looking at up to $14. Keep in mind, if we do fall below $42, it is not going to be macro bullish anymore, and it needs to stay over 28 cents. Otherwise, we are going to turn bearish again. And that's pretty much it. Nothing new from the last time we looked at it. So, and then let's take a look at Onyx Coin. Taking a look at XCN Onyx Coin on the live stream. So congratulations to the Onyx Coin Moon Boys and girls, because you guys are in profit at this point, hopefully. You remember for the longest time we said Onyx Coin is bearish under the 236 at 2 euros 25, 2 euros 26. Well, congratulations, we are now over that, so we are no longer bearish. As of right now, the next target is 206, and once that breaks, I say XCN to the moon. You're looking at little to no resistance to 1 cent 10, 2 cents 20, which itself is a 100% bump from that location, or from that target. 5 cents 90, and then 19 cents is in play. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. This is all my opinion. If it does fall below the 236 again, we are going to turn bearish again. But that's pretty much it. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. You're welcome, Smash Toshi. Taking a look at Goldfinch on the live stream. So Goldfinch is macro bullish because it is over the 382. It kind of reminds me of Jasmine because it literally held the 382 at $1. So again, remember that dip we talked about last time? We've been covering this for over a year now. Congratulations to whoever bought that because you're up 130%. As of right now, $2.95 and $6 are in play. Once that breaks, you're looking at $15. And On the downside, as long as, again, it stays over $1.05, I know that's a really big move down, but as long as it stays over $1.05, it's still macro bullish. And then keep in mind on the shorter time frame, as long as Goldfinch stays over $2.11 to $1.84, you are still macro bullish and you're breaking out of this downtrend. So none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Taking a look at GS3, Green Satoshi Token, GST, Green Satoshi Token on the live stream. So from the high to the low, unfortunately with GST, we are still macro bearish because we are under 4 cents 24. So as long as we're under 4 cents 24, it is still bearish. But once we break that, you're looking at little to no resistance to 11 cents 97. And once that breaks, then you're looking at the macro bull run starting for GST. How long is it going to last? I have no idea. But again, I do know that once we break over the 236, it is no longer going to be bearish. But technically, we are still bearish right now because we are under the macro 236 at 4 cents 20. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion. So far, so good. Hopefully, we break 4 cents 20 next week, and we can start looking at the targets on the upside. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Okay, we did Swift Coin. Billy, we gotta take a look at Billy. Taking a look at Billy on the live stream. So we have a chart for this. So we'll go ahead and take a look at this. So yeah, with Billy, nothing has changed from the last time that we looked at Billy. As long as it stays over 2 cents 90, then technically you're still maintaining the uptrend and it's still over the 786 on the macro time frame. I know this is pretty much a gamble coin and very new. But as long as it stays over 2 cents 90, you are looking at retesting 10 cents to 12 cents. Once that area does break, you are looking at double top at on terms of the price. And once that breaks, you're looking at up to $1.23. And all that is still valid and it is all in place. So with that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. We did Fox, Marinade. Let's check the chat. Nothing. Everyone's just probably chilling. Yeah, we've been live for almost 2 hours now. I gotta get some water. Give me a second. Hey, is my water in here? Hey, are the cats in here? No. I need my water. All right, I'm back. What did I miss? Where are your donation wallet addresses? I can't connect a real credit card to YouTube troll account, but I still want to support you. Hey, let's go. Thank you. What do you mean, like donation wallet addresses? What does that mean? You mean like you want to send me some Dojo on Mars? I'll give you my Dojo on Mars wallet. You can send me some Dojo on Mars. Let's see. Oh, Gearhead's here. I knew you were going to say something about the chair. Dude, they delayed the chair. So it was supposed to get here, and then Amazon is like, oh, delayed. Now expected delivery is December 12th. So I'm literally still sitting on a box. I know you're going to say something about that. If you get time, Ben Key, Blue Cell, I'll do both for you. I appreciate you. I've been listening while multitasking. Thank you, Free Lightning. Any Dojo on Mars, TA? Yeah, so we just did Dojo on Mars. So we set Dojo on Mars. We updated our graph. So it is technically not bearish anymore because it's on the macro time frame. It's over 6 euros 23. 6 euros 37 and 6 euros 4 are in play right now. Once that breaks, you're looking at little to no resistance. I put it at 5 euros 13, previous all-time high. And then from there, price discovery up to 4 euros 2. So you just got to decide at what point you want to sell. Pretty much it. No, we actually threw it away. So the makeup chair is no longer with us. We threw it away. We left it at the old place. So, well, like we didn't leave it, but we put it next to the trash can. And then we went out in the morning, or I went back because I had to turn in the keys, and it was gone. So somebody actually took it. So, yeah. I got a couple more videos. What is this? Swift, we did Billy, we did Fox. We got to do Marinade. So, taking a look at Marinade on the live stream. So, I'm trying to get all these videos out. So, from the high to the low for Marinade, we are over the 382 at 1680. So as long as it stays over 1688, you're looking at retesting 22 cents, which we actually did tag, but we got rejected. Bearish candle. It looks like a liquidity candle because it's such a big wick. But technically, it's still macro bullish because it's over 1688. So you're looking at 22, 28, 42, previous all-time high are in play as long as we stay over 1680. If we don't, we're no longer going to be macro bullish, but we aren't going to be bearish until we break below 12 cents if that does happen. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you, sir. I enjoy your quick TA to the point. You're welcome. Please, can you do Miria, mate? Yes, I can. And please, you got it. What's up, Gurkron? Long time no see. Yep, what? Set up new wallet for Ethereum and a wallet for Solana and post address in your... How do I do that? What does that even mean? Yo, you gotta understand, I use Coinbase and I use Gemini. Like, I tried using Uniswap, but... How do I do that? So set up a new wallet for Ethereum. Like, what do you mean a new wallet? So do I just make do I make a Uniswap account? Yeah, man, I have no idea. Veracity. I actually already did Veracity. Hey, I already did Veracity for you, Charlton. You gotta rewind the video. I did it for you. Dogecoin hot dog water gala. Hot dog water is garbage pails is what? Damn. How's Gala doing? Do I look at it or no? Oh, hey, Gala's doing good. Yeah, Gala's doing really good. So, what is this? Yeah, it's getting stuck at the 382, but once we break past that, you're literally looking at little to no resistance to 10 cents. So, hey, dude, that would be horrible if it comes all the way back down, but I really want to see this over the 382 at 6 cents 24, so it really needs to get over it. Yeah, I'll figure out how to set up a wallet. I gotta figure that out on Solana. You mean like a phantom wallet, right? So it could theoretically be a phantom wallet, and then I could just, because I've done that before. Yeah, I think I can do that. Miria. Taking a look at Miria, actually updating the graph. So yeah, very simple. We actually broke through 2019 and we broke through 2029. Wait, is this the right Miria? It has to be, right? Yeah. So I'm assuming that was so that was the 382236. So let's just delete everything. Yeah, so as of right now, it looks like we're getting stuck at the 382, but as long as we stay over that, you're looking at 2056, 207, and then and then 1 cent 20, previous all-time high, and then Miria up to 13 cents, and then bearish under 2026. So very simple. If we don't hold the 382, then we are going to come back down, and 2026 needs to hold for Miria. Yeah, but make sure it's brand new and save your seed phrase and private keys for each one on a piece of paper. All right. But like you're talking about Phantom, right? So I create a Phantom wallet and then what do I post? Like my Solana address, or do I post like Yeah, I would. Do I post Solana and Ethereum? So like I could post my Ethereum wallet and Solana wallet on the Phantom app, and then that's where people can send me money. That's cool. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll do that for next time because also I could. Yeah, I don't really. I know we talked about Venmo and like Cash App and stuff, but I really don't use that. I have Zelle, but I'm not also not going to give out my like personal cell phone. So MetaMask wallet for ETH and Phantom wallet for Solana. Does MetaMask is MetaMask on the App Store? I've never had MetaMask. So what is MetaMask? Oh, MetaMask wallet. Yeah, there's one. Okay, so MetaMask wallet for ETH and Phantom wallet for on Solana. Phil, how can I talk to you on voice call? Much easier than typing. Do you have Discord? I do have Discord. It's crypto analysis. Got it. Yeah. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna download both of them then. You should open a Discord server. Send the loot call outs. Let's see. Ondo. Can you please do Ondo? Yes, I can. When you set up, make sure you write down the seed phrases. Yeah. I had to do that with when I made a Uniswap account. I did that. I took a picture of it, but then I realized that I could break my phone and I could lose my picture. So, yeah, so I'll do that. I'll write it down and like put it in my desk. Let's see. What about Ondo? Yeah, Ondo's fire. Yeah, Ondo's doing very good. Hey, actually, did it hit the target? The 1618? We were talking about this. No, not yet. Okay, yeah, so for Ondo, you're looking at 293. Very, very, very bullish. So 293 is in play. And then does this coincide with the 236382 at any point? Probably, right? Yeah, literally, like from the low to the high, the 236 is $1.47. So as long as it stays over this area for Ondo, you're looking at 297 is in play right now. Very simple. Don't ever give anyone your seed phrase. That's how they can take care. Come on, you really? No, I know, I appreciate it, but really, do I look like a sucker? Hey guys, here's my seed phrase. I appreciate it. Thank you. Hey, Gearthan, here's my seed phrase. That's funny. AMP, please. I love AMP. AMP is such a good coin. I missed out on it though. Yeah, taking a look at AMP. So taking a look at AMP from the high to the low. Yeah, so AMP is very bullish. It's over the 382 at 2065. We're actually over the 0.5 as of right now. 1 cent 70 is in play. 3 cents 30 followed by previous all-time high, and then AMP to the moon. It actually might hit $1. So congratulations to whoever got it. And then keep in mind all those targets on the upside are in play as long as it stays over 208 and 1 cent. So as long as it stays over this box, then AMP to the moon. So otherwise, it is gonna mark a local top. And technically, you'd be starting a downtrend, but at that point, the 76 needs to hold for high or low and a continuation up, and then you're gonna, hopefully break up on out of here. But yeah, never picture, always piece of paper. Yeah, I didn't know that. I will do that. I would. I took a picture of it last time, like for my Uniswap, but then I deleted it anyway because I didn't want to have Uniswap. I bought Jesus Coin and then I sold it and I made $50. And I was like, dude, I can't have Jesus. I can't have coins on Uniswap, Gemini, and at the time Coinbase. Let's see, what other coins do I have to? Oh, Billy. I did Billy. I did Fox. I did Marinade. Helium. We got to do Helium, guys. taking a look at Helium Mobile on the live stream. So this is the gentleman who asked for an update. So let's take a look at it. Yeah, so for Helium Mobile, it had a massive move up. So from the high to the low, it looks like we got rejected at 2015, which is the 382. But as long as it gets over that, it's macro bullish, and I say Helium Mobile to the moon, and bearish under 201. So as of right now, we are still under the 382. So as long as we're under that, we are not bullish, but it does look like if we can get over that, then 2021, 2028, 2004, and then 2078 are all in play. Keep in mind, as long as we stay over 201, and that's a very extreme because that's a really big capitulation down, but just key note, as long as we stay over that, all the targets on the upside are still valid once we get over and stay over 2015. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Come back after blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I already did PNG, but I could show you the graph. So PNG is, again, as long as it stays over 30 cents, you're looking at 83 to $1.32 being resistance. Once that breaks previous all-time high for a double top, and then once that breaks, price discovery up to like 222 bucks. So you're sidelined right now other than DOGECOIN position? Yeah, so I sold my OXT. I just decided to sell all of it when it went back up, and I'm kind of happy that I did. No, not really. I mean, I hope it goes up. It went back up, so I sold it. So like I sold it, I don't know why it's not like showing. It went up to like 16 cents, and I sold it at 14 to 15, and then I held the rest through this bull 10 cents and then whatever, and then went back up here, and then I sold the rest at like 14 cents too. So I hope it goes up, and then I rotated some into Dojo on Mars. So he has $1 million worth of OXT. No, are you kidding me? I wish, dude. $1 million. Maybe if OXT was like $1 or $2 or whatever ended up being, well, it would have to be like, because it was like, yeah, like $3 or something. Let's see. I don't have any more OXT, Mr. Toxic. If it does go back down, I probably will buy it. And guys, like I do think that it is going to go up. I think OXT is a solid play. It's a D pin. It's just like AIOZ. They almost have like the same layout, but this is also a VPN. So I don't have any more OXT though. So if it comes back down, I am probably going to buy back some and then just let that ride. But I'm sick and tired of holding this because it's just, you know, if you do the, you know, OXT BTC pairing, like it's just, you know, it's not appealing at all. Like this literally just looks like it's just like losing value. Right? So it is what it is. But if I'm not gonna like OXT is a good play. Like if it comes back down, I am gonna buy back again, but I'm not gonna buy back as much as I had. But I want to at least have like 100,000 coins because I think that it is gonna hit $1 to like $5, and that's my honest opinion. I've been holding for 2 years now. Yeah, man, I was holding it for like, I had OXT like on and off, and I bought it at 2019 in December when it first came out on Coinbase. Not to make you FOMO, but usually they get people to capitulate like this before the pump. Yeah, it's fine, but like then again, I rotated some to Dojo on Mars, so I'm pretty happy with. I think that Dojo on Mars has more of an upside than OXT. So if my Dojo on Mars pumps before OXT, it's not like I can't just rotate some at that point because I'll have so much to invest with. I can't rotate some to OXT, right? That's why Dogelon and Gala just flirting with that resistance is some kind of hopium. Mr. Toxic thinking to sell it, but yeah, I don't know. It's up to you. I mean, I'm probably going to buy back in, but if it runs without me, then good for OXT and good for everybody that held it. But if it comes back down, I'm going to buy some. And hopefully, you know, Dogelon Mars runs before then, and then I could rotate into it. So I could even get more coins. Not that I'm going to. I'm not going to put that much money in it this time. So real price, I think it could go to like, honestly, I think it could go to 50 cents to like $5. So I don't know. 50 cents to $5 is a really big range, but that's what I think. Dogecast. Oh, wow. We haven't looked at this coin in a while. I guess, yeah, we'll take a look at it. So, taking a look at Dogecast on the live stream. So we actually had a graph drawn for this before, but it's been so long since we looked at it, and we did it on hourly because it just doesn't have that much data to work with. So we are still going to do it on the hourly. So again, as you know, this is a huge gamble coin. No surprise there. From the high to the low, bearish under 1 cent and bull run over 1 cent 20. Once that breaks, hopefully we get back up to double top on the price at around 2 cents, and then you're looking at 5 cents is in play. But keep in mind, as long as we are in this range, it's not bullish at all, and it is going to be bearish under 1 cent, and then again bullish over 1 cent 20. So with that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Let's see. IDYP. What do you think? I mean, the real price, not unrealistic. 50 cents to $5. So let me ask you this, since you're in the sidelines, and say these coins don't dip and they pump. What are you gonna buy higher and just sit out? No, I'm done. I'm not gonna put money. Like, I'm done. I'm gonna like whatever I have. I have my Dojo on Mars, and if that goes up, great. You know, I have my sell targets. If it doesn't, I'm not going to put money back in, because last time I got chopped up, and I'm never doing that again. So the money is like in my bank account now, so I'm not even touching it. I'm not going to be chasing the pumps. Like, if it pumps, good for OXC, right? And if Dojo on Mars pumps, good, because I have Dojo on Mars. So at this point, my moneymaker is going to either be Dogelon and OXT won't go and I rotate into OXT, or OXT runs and I miss out and Dogelon runs and I make some money, right? But I'm not going to buy. My plan isn't buying anymore. Even Dogelon Mars, like, I want to buy more, but I'm not going to buy anymore because I just bought at 22 and it's at 26 now. So I bought more at 22 and it's at 26 now, and I'm not going to buy the pump. So if it goes down below 22, perfect. If it doesn't matter. I'll buy Bitcoin. Like I said even before, man, I'm buying Bitcoin in the next 4 years, like for the next bull run. We're gonna wait until, you remember those giant like red candles that Bitcoin's gonna happen in like the next year or two. That's when I'm gonna start averaging down with Bitcoin, even if it's like $1,000. You know, I'll buy $1,000 of Bitcoin, and then the RSI is going to go in the red again, and I'll buy another 1,000, and then the RSI is going to go in the red again, and all that is going to take 6 months. It's going to take 6 months. It's going to take a year, but it's going to be fine because we know. How do you sell and not pay any taxes? You have to pay taxes, and you have to pay taxes. There's no getting away from taxes unless you just don't report it. But if you don't report it, then they'll find out and they'll probably tax you. Solon, Sanjeevan, thank you so much for the super chat. I really appreciate that. My price at 1844. Nice. I think my average is at like 16. On Gemini, it says like average 16. So I think it went a little bit higher. It went higher because I just bought at 22 Moonbound. By the way, welcome to the end of the live stream, Moonbound. But I ended up buying DOGECOIN at 22, and of course it's at 26 now. So I should have bought more, but I'm gonna wait, right? We always talk about it. Buy the red, get ahead, right? That's what you always say. Buy the red, get ahead. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let's see. Oh, can you post your Discord server link? Yeah, let me, after this, I'll post it in here. I'll try to figure it out. I gotta figure it out. It's just crypto analysis. You should find it, right? Let me see. Yeah, crypto analysis. Been here the whole time, bro. Nice. Well, or welcome to the, I guess welcome again. Idipius. I don't know if should I even make a video on this? Probably not. BitDAO, that's right. Oh, Solin for 2. Yeah, you're always working, Moonbound. Let's go. Gotta get some more Doge on Mars, then. I'm glad the whole thing was taken care of, though. Like the whole court situation, I'm glad that was like taken care of. So that's good. I always watch your like videos and your live streams, so that's awesome. Alrighty, let's take a look at. Oh, Sanjeevan wants PNG, Spell, and GST. Okay, so we actually have the graph for them. So where is it at? Pangolin. So Sanjeevan, for Pangolin, as long as it stays over 30 cents, you're looking at 83 cents to $1.32 in play, and then you're looking at double top all-time high at 484. Once that breaks, you're looking at price discovery, and I think the price is at around $222 for Pangolin. Keep in mind, it does need to stay over 30 cents with any sort of breakdown. As long as it stays over that, all the targets on the upside are valid. Now for Spell Token, taking a look at Spell Token, we said on the macro 236 at 3095, as long as it's over that, then we're not bearish. So bearish under 3095, and as of right now, there is a continuation up to 2018. Once that breaks, meaning once we get over it and stay over it, little to no resistance to 203, 205, 1 cent, 2 cents 82 for previous all-time high, and from there Spell Token price discovery if it does double top the price and go past that. So very simple. As long as we're over 3095, we're not bearish. 2018 is in play. And then GST, you're looking at bearish under 4 cents 20. Unfortunately, we are still bearish because we are under the macro 236. Once the 236 breaks at 4 cents 20, you're looking at 12 cents, retesting 12 cents once that breaks, meaning once we get over it and stay over it, we are looking at a continuation up to 27 cents, 64 cents, and then from there, we'll redraw the targets. Thank you so much for the super chat. I really do appreciate it. Tried a couple ways, couldn't pull it up whatsoever. What's up, Meow? I'll see if I can post it. What's up, Meow? I was wondering if you can check peak. Yes, I can. Give me a second. Let me do BitDAO. Taking a look at BitDAO on the live stream. So, nothing has really changed from the last time we looked at BitDAO. It looks like we are still over the 382, so we got a nice move up. We almost smacked against the 786, but we didn't quite hit it. So as long as BitDAO stays over $1.25, it is going to be macro bullish. You're looking at $2.08, $2.99, $4.75, and then up to $18 are all in play. And I do think that does coincide with key levels of support. No, it doesn't. It's actually the 0.5. But so I'd say as long as BitDAO stays over $1.25 to $1.55, all the targets on the upside are still valid. So with that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. And then let's take a look at this. Taking a look at XDC network for the gentleman who asked for it. So let's take a look at this. So from the high to the low, we are over the 382, so we are macro bullish. We are actually over the 618, so this is very bullish as long as it stays over 8 cents 20. And then the next targets are 12 cents, 19 cents, and then from there you're looking at up to 80 cents being targets. And then in terms of support goes, I'd say, you know, as long as it stays over 7 cents 80 and 8 cents 20 with any sort of retracement, all the targets on the upside are still valid. So none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. All right, let's do peak. Oh, this is a nice graph. All right, let's take a look at peak. No. It's just like a new coin or something. Yeah, November 12th, 62 cents. Damn. November 12th. Yeah, so this is very new coin. So for peak. So as of right now, I mean, I could, I guess, check it on the hourly, right? So on the hourly, from the high to the low, because it's such a new coin. Yeah, so as long as it stays over 59 cents, you're looking at $1.25 is in play. And then let's see if that does coincide with the 236.382. So it doesn't. So I'd say bullish over 59 cents, but with any sort of big breakdown and capitulation, it needs to stay over 41 to 50 cents. All the targets are valid on the upside as long as it stays over that. You already know this is a very new coin, so I don't know where, you know, I don't know if it's going to capitulate or if it's going to continue up. But if it does continue up, we do have a target at $62.26. So with that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion. Michael Dunbar for 2, DGen or Aerobud. I got you. Let's take a look at DGen. Yeah, so DGen is still macro bullish because it's over the 382. So yeah, DGen looks like it's about to like blow up on out of here. So with DGen, bullish over 208. It looks like the 618 is holding. So as of right now, 3 cents 10 is in play. And then you're looking at previous all-time high, and then from there 52 cents. So nothing has really changed with DGen. In terms of support goes, I'd say the 236.382, which we actually came in and we bounced from. So as long as it stays over this box, it is still macro bullish, and the targets on the upside are still valid. And then Aerobud, let's check the graph that we already have for Aerobud. Yeah, so very simple for Aerobud. We broke through 1 cent and 2 cents 10, which we talked about last time, and 32 cents is still in play right now. So that's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. And what's up, Rayhan? How are you? Welcome to the end of the live stream. Let me know what coin you want me to do. Taking a look at MOG on the live stream. So we actually did MOG, but I guess I didn't record it. So we said with MOG, it's very bullish right now. As of right now, you're looking at 505 in play and then 402 in play. Keep in mind that with MOG, as long as it stays over the 236.382, all the targets on the upside are still valid. Again, very bullish structure, very, very, very strong uptrend forming right now, and has been forming since it came out in 2023. So again, 50s19 to 50s25 support. You're looking at 50s55 right now, and then 402 targets on the upside. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Taking a look at Quant on the live stream. So Quant looks like it wants to move, right? It looks like it kind of wants to get up on out of here. So we broke $99. We broke $1.31, which we were here before. So congratulations, whoever got this nice move up. As of right now, you're looking at $1.73 in play, 258, 430. It needs to stay over $131, and I think that does coincide with the 236. So 131, 129 absolutely needs to hold for a continuation up, and if it does, then quant to the moon. All the targets on the upside are still valid. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Let's check the chat. Did he do XRP already? No, but I can do it for you. What's up, Flip Coins? Welcome to the live stream. FIDA. Flip Coins, what would you like me to look at for you? I already did Billy, so I know you have Billy. So taking a look at Billy, again, 2 cents 94 needs to hold. And then you're looking at 10 cents, 12 cents, 23 cents, $1.23. We're just waiting right now. Again, this is very boring. So nothing new with Billy. Let's check used car for you. Let's see how this is doing. Did we get some sort of reversal? No, we didn't. So right now it looks like it's consolidating, but it's still over 2.049. So as long as we're over this level, 1 cent 30 and 1 cent 66 is in play. Once that breaks, 3 cents 75, 7 cents and a half, previous all-time high, and then from there to the moon. So very boring stuff right now. Again, you're just in the waiting room right now. And then SNEC. I know you have SNEC, right? So let's take a look at SNEC. Taking a look at SNEC for you. So yeah, nothing has really changed from the last time we looked at SNEC. You're looking at, you're looking at, yeah, 2 cents 42 in play right now. And then 2 zeros 59. Does that coincide with any sort of 23632? No, it doesn't. I know this is a really big move down, but I'd say, you know, continuation and bullish momentum over 2 zeros 49 and 206, and then a continuation up to 2 cents is in play. And then as long as it stays over 2 zeros 33, you are looking at, I know that's a really big capitulation, but you are still technically bullish. But if it does go below 2 zeros 33, then that would be the top, and you are looking at a bigger move down in a capitulation. Seller network. Taking a look at Seller network. It's having a nice move up. Congratulations. From the high to the low for Seller network, we are actually macro bullish because we're over 2 cents 70. So very simple right now. As long as we are over 2 cents 70, you're looking at 4 cents, 5 cents 80, 10 cents, 20 cents, and from there to the moon. If it does double top and go into price discovery, you're looking at up to $1.47. Keep in mind it's bullish over 2 cents 70. If it falls below that, then we are no longer macro bullish, and we do need to stay over 1 cent 70. Otherwise, we are going to be bearish. Rayhan, FIDA. I gotta check FIDA before he falls asleep because it's probably like, I don't even know, like 2 a.m. where he's at. So taking a look at FIDA for Rayhan. Flip Coins, thank you so much for the super chat. I really, really, really appreciate that. So taking a look at FIDA from the high to the low, yeah, so nothing's bullish with FIDA until we break over 49 cents. So I'd say bearish under 49 cents, bullish over $1.07, and that's really it. So as of right now, it looks like based on the trajectory, it does look like it's trying to retest the 236. But until we get over that level, then we're still bearish. It doesn't matter how high it goes if it doesn't break it, right? And that's pretty much it. But so far, so good. I really hope that we get some sort of breakout soon. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Let's look at Myro. Taking a look at Myro for Flip Coins. Yeah, so as of right now, we're still over the box. So 20 cents, 29 cents, 46 cents are all in play, as long as we stay over 9 cents 47 and 12 cents 50. If we break below that area at any point, then we are going to get a bigger capitulation down. And keep in mind, we are forming some sort of downtrend right now on the macro time frame. So it does look like it's getting stuck, but technically we're still over the box. So don't throw in the towel just yet. Taking a look at Shadow token on the live stream. So I guess we could use this graph. So Shadow token is actually bullish because it's over the macro 382 at 63 cents. So I'd say bullish over 63 cents. So as long as we get some sort of retracement and it stays over 63 cents, 85 cents, $1.16, $1.79, 313 are all in play. If Shadow token breaks its previous all-time high, meaning it doesn't get stuck and double top, you're looking at Shadow token up to $15. At any point, if we break below 63 cents, 43 cents needs to hold. Otherwise, we are going to turn bearish, and we will be bearish on the macro time frame. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks a lot. Looking to rotate some of my Solana stuff. Good luck, dude. Let me know if whatever you want me to look at for you. We could look at the RSI. We could look at everything, so you can have all the data and all the information. I do have to do Krill right now, and then we could check a couple more coins, and then I'm gonna call it a live stream. So we've been streaming for around 2.5 hours now. So taking a look at Krill on the live stream. So let's get right into it. So far so good for Krill actually. So from the high to the low, we are technically over. Yeah, so we're bullish because we're over 66 cents. So with Krill, as long as we stay over 66 cents on the macro time frame, you're looking at 97 cents in play, $1.43, 246, and then previous all-time high. Once that breaks, and if it doesn't double top, you're looking at up to $36. Keep in mind, if we do break below 66 cents, we do need to stay over 41. Otherwise, we are going to be macro bearish if we fall at any point under 41 cents. I'm not saying that's going to happen. I'm just saying that, you know, worst case scenario in an instance where we do get a big capitulation, it does need to stay over 41 cents. But so far so good based on the targets right now. 97 cents, little to no resistance to $1.43, 246, and all-time high, previous all-time high are all in play. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. I think I could catch Elon later for 5 to 10x after my used car. Let's go. I have Elon, so you'd be pumping my bags. Not really. I don't know. Good luck though. Yeah, see, I just think Elon is like too expensive now, right? I remember like just like back here when 10 billion was like $1,200. Now it's $2,600. That's crazy. Good luck though, man. Whatever you do, good luck. I have Elon though. Just FYI. I do believe in it. You'd probably have more than me because you have like way more money. So you'd probably be a bear or a bull. Sorry, a whale at that point. But good luck, man. Yeah, with that being said, I think that's pretty much it. We've been live for about 2.5 hours now. So let me know if you guys need me to look at any coins for you. I do have to edit all the videos I just made, and I have to edit them and then post them, which is going to take probably another hour. So yeah, let me know if you guys have anything else, last minute coins. Other than that, Flip Coins, thank you so much for the super chat. That's awesome. I really do appreciate it. I will be going live on, I guess it's Sunday. I guess I'll be going live tomorrow, and I will be live streaming on, I want to say on Wednesday, but we'll see. I will be going, yeah. I have none right now, just looking to rotate later in the cycle. Got it. Yeah, if Elon's down, or if Elon comes back down and your coin's like 10x or 100x, then yeah, that would be a really good play. Because I do think that Elon is going to go up. I do think Elon is going to be 5 zeros 13, 5 zeros 22, and maybe even 4 zeros 22. So that would be absolutely crazy. Gurkharan, Seam. Let's take a look at Seam for you before I go. taking a look at Seam for Gurkharon. So unfortunately, this is another coin that hasn't ran yet, and it is still bearish under the 236. So as long as it's under the 236 at $1.81, it is bearish. But once that breaks, you're looking at little to no resistance to $2.76. Once 276 does break, bull run officially, bullish. Seam will be bullish, and the bull run will start for Seam. But that none of that is possible, and none of that's going to happen until we get over and stay over $1.81, because as long as it's under that level, it is bearish on the macro time frame. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion. And that's pretty much it. Thank you, everybody that stopped by. Why is everyone gambling with DOGECOIN entries? You fools had 3 years and 7 months go by. Oh, to buy. Yeah, that's a long time. I wonder, oh, you know what? I deleted my Gemini. I wish I could show you guys the first time I bought DOGECOIN, because I bought like 1 billion and it was like $1,000. No, I bought 2 billion and it was like $1,000. So that had to be like 505 or something, or 605 or 606. I don't know. I have to check. With that being said, though, none of this is financial advice. Thank you so much for stopping by to everybody. I really appreciate all the super chats, all the memberships, and all the subscribers. Thanks for stopping by. I'm going to cut the live stream now. We have been streaming for about an hour, 2 hours and a half. So that's pretty much it. And yeah, I'll be live streaming tomorrow, 5 p.m. PST. Thank you so much for coming by. And just remember, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion. And I will catch you guys in the next live stream, and have a great day.